There are so many changes that a child goes through and it seems impossible to know them all. This looks like a lot, but let's break it down super simple. 1-year-old, think walk, talk, fingers, and strangers. We think walk for taking their first steps alone, talk for saying a few words like mom, dad, yes, no, fingers for a mature pinch or grasp, and strangers for separation anxiety. Big key, 1-year-old birth weight should be tripled. 18 months, think soar, pour, more, and explore. We think soar like the child's able to jump in place or soar in the air, pour like pouring juice or food into the mouth, more for saying more than 10 words now, and explore where the child explores alone with the parents close by. 2 years, think of all the twos. Runs on 2 feet, climbs 2 or more stairs, uses 2 hands to build a tower of blocks, draws 2 parallel lines and says 2-word sentences, and plays in the same area with 2 or more kids. Note this is called parallel play. 3 years, think of a more refined 2-year-old. Think try for tricycle and 3 years old, draws a circle instead of a line, 3-word sentences, and think 3 for PP, like being toilet trained except for wiping. And 4 years, think of the 3 C's. Coordination to hop on 1 foot, climb and catch a ball, creative like drawing a square, using scissors and singing a song, and cooperative like playing with others.